channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. Abba Kyari, the Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, has tested positive to the coronavirus, that is the COVID-19. Buhari has tested negative, that is what they have told us. But do you believe that Buhari has tested negative? If Buhari has tested negative, we at Njenje Media would want to know, why has he not addressed the nation? There has been rumor that Buhari has the COVID-19. That's why he has not bothered to address the nation, even when every nation, every serious country with serious people have been addressing their people. You can see yesterday, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Boris Johnson, addressed the people of the United Kingdom, said he's going to lock down, meaning if you have nothing to look for outside, you're not going anywhere. We have seen Trump addressing the people of America. We have seen even common Ghana here, common Ghana that is not even the size of the Yoruba nation, is addressing their people. Even within Nigeria, Erufai has been seen addressing the people of Kaduna. But Buhari has just been incommunicado. As usual, he doesn't care. He does not care, even if all of you dies, he does not care. So that is actually fueling the rumor that Buhari is not well. Now, maybe because Buhari has it, that's why they just came out to tell you that this guy, which, you know, who in the person of Abba Kyari, that is the only reason why they are telling you Abba Kyari. The only sad news here is that this COVID-19 does not respect old people. It does mince pie with old people. You know, for some of you that might want to pray for Abba Kyari, you can go ahead and pray for him. Others will say, well, they had opportunities in the last 5 years to build world-class hospitals where they could be taken care of, and they didn't. So this is not a case of flying Abba Kyari out of Nigeria. They can fly nowhere because no flight is going. Now, in this mess, we are in this shit together. There is no escape route. If you remember, Abba Kyari, who returned, basically, on March 14th, he returned from Germany, and immediately he returned, did not go into self-isolation as directed by Nigeria Center of Disease Control. No, he didn't. He attended a meeting on Sunday in Aso Rock, where he began to cough repeatedly and thereafter surrendered himself. The same way we have Atiku's son, who came from London, and again, he did not isolate himself. I don't know what they take the people to be. Yeah, everywhere you go, it is the same story. Atiku's son came back. He did not isolate himself. Now, to the point that, you know, he has to be evacuated from the house. His dad made a tweet that his son actually contracted that disease. Well, we are now happy that at least Atiku, who has been up and doing, Atiku has been the one being in the forefront as if he is the president, whereas the one that you have elected, your president. Now, okay, let the Barbarians, let them continue with their Baba, whereas the Baba, when you needed him most, has been missing, like someone just gone booze from the action. Nothing is happening. Nothing. Not even the churches are obeying. You saw last weekend, even churches, large congregation, from Oyedepo to all of them, none of them actually were obeying a simple instruction of social distancing. You see from Winners Chapel, or the one you call the Living Faith Church Worldwide, they all attended. Even in some Yoruba nation, that the police had to go in and disperse them. From the political scene, it is equally the same thing, madness everywhere. We saw Hope Uzodimma swearing in. A lot of, there is no way holding an elaborate swearing-in ceremony. No iota of social distancing. The same thing happens. We saw Ugwani in Inaugurate shouting, celebrating happy birthday. People crowded in a room. Don't worry, let them contract all these diseases. There is no hiding place. We don't even have a hospital, no intensive care unit, no oxygen plant or anything to save you. This time around, we will say, we will all die in this mess you people have created. How can you people create such a mess? We have people like Governor of Abia State. All he can say to his people is that because Abia State is mentioned in the Bible, that Abia State is not going to get the coronavirus. Hey, Nigeria. Why is your leader so mumoish? Well, this is the beginning. Just give Nigeria the next 21 days, we will see. If Abba Kyari survives this coronavirus, maybe whenever this coronavirus finishes, it might help to reset the brain of our leaders to the point that they will begin to do the basic things that they ought to have done many, many years ago. This government had no reason to say that the previous government didn't build anything. They have been here for the last 5 years and they have built absolute nothing. It is a total catastrophe, a government of failure. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. I remain yours and truly, Mike Udenta. Subscribe to the channel so that we can bring you on these contents that you can see in no other channel.
Good evening.
Aside Njenje Media
My
Channel.
name is Bukola Lokmade. This evening, I got tested for COVID-19. I've been in self-isolation for 5 days now. Developed one or two of the symptoms. I'm feeling better, feeling stronger, hoping for a very good result in 72 hours. I hope is negative. But this video has become essential to let people know that this is real and is happening, and people should not underestimate what's going on out there. We must listen to government. We must listen to all the publications we've been getting about being hygienic and using hand sanitizers, and obviously staying at home in terms of regulating the social distancing. It's for real. I just also want to use the opportunity to thank the Lagos State government under the leadership of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu for the rapid response with which I was attended to. And thanking all the first responders from both the Lagos State response team and the NCDC for the yeoman job that they are doing for our country and for our people. May God help us. Thank you.